Hello students, I am Sarvan Kumar and in today's video we are going to learn about how to multiply and divide integers. So far we have studied how to add and subtract integers and their properties. Okay, now we are going to learn how to multiply integers with same sign. So to multiply integers with same sign, whether it is positive or negative, the rule is simply multiply the numbers and place plus sign. Okay, so to multiply plus 5 and plus 3 both are positive integers, we will simply multiply the numbers. So 5 3s are 15 and we will put plus sign. So the answer will be plus 15. Similarly, to multiply minus 2 and minus 8 both are negative integers, have the same sign. So we will simply multiply and place the plus sign. So this will be 2 8s are 16. So this will be plus 16. Okay. Now how to multiply integers with different signs. Okay, like one is positive, other is negative, or first one is negative or positive. So how to do that? So it is also very easy. To multiply integers with different sign, we simply multiply the numbers and place minus sign. Okay, so here to multiply this we will multiply 8 and 4. So 8 4s are 32. Okay, and we simply place the minus sign. Okay, here 7 3s are 21, again minus. Okay, so to multiply, this is the rule. If integers are with same sign, so we will multiply and put the plus sign, and if they are of different signs, so we will multiply and put minus sign. Okay, so let's solve some more questions to understand. Here plus 5 into plus 20 both are positive integers, have the same sign, so it will be 5 20 को आप multiply करोगे will get 100 and this will be plus 100. Minus 8 minus 5, 8 5s are 40, both are same, both are with same signs, so here we will put plus. Now plus 2 into minus 7, 2 7s are 14, we will put minus because they are of different sign. Same minus 14 plus 10 different sign है तो obviously minus आएगा, and their multiplication 14 10s are 140. Okay. Similarly, we can multiply. This is the next topic, that is multiplication of 3 or more integers. Here we multiply 2 integers, but how to multiply 3 or more integers? So this is very easy. See the very first example. Here I have taken 3 integers, all are positive, plus 3 plus 5 and plus 7. So to multiply, we first multiply these first 2 integers. So these are of the same sign, so this will be clearly this will be plus 15. Okay, and then here we are left with into plus 7. Now the product of plus 15 and plus 7, this will be what? Tell me. 15 7s are, this will be 105. Okay, 15 7s are 105 and we will put plus sign because they are of the same sign. Okay, same here again we are having 3 integers, so we will multiply first 2 minus plus, they are of different signs, so we will simply multiply and put the minus sign. So 2 4s are 8, so this will be minus 8 into remaining is plus 6. Okay, then minus plus again different sign, so minus and 8 6 are 48, so the answer will be minus 48. Now here we are having of 4 integers. Okay, so let's multiply. To multiply 4, what you can do, you can make pair. Okay, we can multiply in pair. So this will be minus minus, same sign. Okay, so and so we will put plus sign, so this will be 3 into 2 will be plus 6. Okay, into, now here minus 5 plus 10 different signs, so we will multiply and put minus sign. So 5 10s are 50, so this will be minus 50. Now we will multiply these two, plus 6 and minus 50. Again they have different signs. Okay, so the result will have minus sign. Okay, and when you multiply 50 by 6, you will get 300. Okay, you can check by multiplying, you will get 300. So this is how we can multiply 3 or more integers. Okay, I hope you understood how to multiply integers. Now the division is similar to multiplication. Here again, if we want to divide integers with same sign, okay, if we want to divide integers with same sign, what we need to do, simply divide the numbers and place plus sign. Okay, same multiplication में भी हमने यही किया था, we simply multiplied the numbers and put the plus sign. Same will be done in division. So plus 10 divided by plus 5, it can be written as plus 10 divided by plus 5. Same. And we all know on dividing 10 by 5 we get 2. Okay, so this will be plus 2. So answer will be plus 2. Now here we are dividing minus 24 by minus 6. Okay, so on dividing 24 by 6 we get 4, because 6 fours are 24. So this will be plus 4. Okay, simply we divided 24 by 6 and put the plus sign, because these two have the same sign. Same if we want to divide integers with different signs. Okay, what we need to do, we need to divide the numbers and place minus sign. Okay, so here again we are having two integers, one is positive, other is negative. So it is plus 20 divided by minus 4. So after division this will be 5. 20 divided by 4 is 5, and since these have different symbols, so we will put minus sign. So our result will be minus 5. Same minus 35 divided by plus 7. So 7 के टेबल में 35 5 टाइम्स में आता है, 7 5s are 35. So again this will be 5 and minus. Okay, so I hope you understood how to multiply and divide integers. The rule is very simple. To multiply or divide numbers with same sign, simply multiply or divide the numbers and place plus sign. And to multiply or divide integers with different signs, simply multiply or divide the numbers and place minus sign.